Hey everyone, I'm Nikhil Ramaswamy, and this is my Google AI Agents capstone project, Codebase Onboarding Agent, an AI pair programmer for code comprehension. Let's face it, bringing a new developer up to speed on a complex code base is a huge challenge. It's a time consuming, costly process where engineers spend weeks just trying to build a mental model and understand the core logic. This high cognitive load absolutely crushes development velocity and creates massive barriers to productivity. It's a problem we need to solve. So, what's the solution? Imagine having an expert pair programmer available 24/7 that understands the code context and can answer your complex questions in natural language. That's the power of AI agents. Agents use dynamic planning and reasoning to act as an always on expert for any code base. So, for my capstone project, I decided to build exactly that. My Codebase Onboarding Agent, powered by Google Gemini and ADK, consumes a pre-processed code knowledge pack. This pack uses a hybrid of semantic and structural analysis to make the entire codebase instantly queryable. So, how did I arrive at this architecture? My core requirement was to reliably answer complex multi-part questions. While a single powerful agent was my first thought, I realized it would be prone to errors when trying to handle everything from planning, searching the code, and analyzing the results all at once. This led me to a more robust design, a hierarchical supervisor-worker system. This architecture cleanly separates the duties. I have one supervisor agent, the query manager agent, that acts as the high-level strategist. Using the ADK's Plan React Planner, it creates a dynamic step-by-step plan and can even adapt that plan based on new discoveries. The supervisor then delegates those tasks to specialist worker agents, one for finding the code by meaning and one for analyzing the code's structure. This separation of concerns is what makes the system so reliable and powerful, allowing it to handle truly complex questions. Alright, let's see the agent in action. Now, for the fun part, I'm going to ask the agent the exact kind of complex question I would have asked when starting on a new project. I'm asking it to explain the entire document processing pipeline. This requires it to find the main function and trace the data flow through multiple steps. Here, you can see the agent's detailed step-by-step plan. It's not just reacting, it's thinking. Cool, looks like we already have the final response. That's good. Let's get back to analyzing the agent's output. We were talking about the detailed step-by-step plan the agent produces first. Next, it executes the plan. This is the core reason and act loop. The agent calls a tool, gets a result, and then you see its reasoning. It's the internal monologue where it analyzes the new information and refines its approach for the next step. It's methodically working through its plan, getting closer to the final answer with each step. Finally, it synthesizes everything into this comprehensive explanation, pulling information from multiple steps into one final answer. This is the multi-step reasoning that makes it so powerful. Building this agent was an incredible learning experience. I used the powerful Google Agent Development Kit fueled by Gemini models and combined it with tools like NetworkX, and ChromaDB to create the hybrid code knowledge pack. My core belief behind this project is that to contribute meaningfully, an engineer must first understand the code base deeply. My Codebase Onboarding Agent is designed for that exact quest. It proves that a supervisor-worker architecture powered by Gemini can transform code comprehension from a manual chore into an interactive conversation. This is more than just a productivity tool. It's a new way to learn and explore complex code. I'm really excited about its potential. I invite you to explore it yourself in the Kaggle notebook below. Thanks for watching.